All right, so here's a look at this combination dip bar and pull-up bar. So this is a really nice set because you could easily just hang this here in your door frame, and this is inside of our gym right now. And the way that this works is it's essentially just going to hook onto the other side. So you can see there's these hooks on one end, and you just slide it through the frame like this, pop it up at the top, and then you just make sure that these pieces are up against the door frame or against the wall. And now these pieces are gonna be made out of rubber, so you don't have to worry about this getting messed up or scratching up your door frame or anything like that. You also have this other piece right here. This is where it's gonna touch to the wall as well. And this part's made out of foam, so regardless of how much you hit this up against the wall, it's not gonna make any damage or cause any issues. Now, I really like the way that they designed this because if you've had some of those old models, they're really easy to slip off and fall. You've probably seen those viral videos of people doing pull-ups and stuff where they fall down on the ground. So this is a really nice set because of this completely new design that they made where everything sticks really nice on the door frame. Now, they're also going to include this elastic band as well, so if you can't quite do a pull-up, it's nice because you could just hook this on here and you could use this on your feet to kind of just help you do a pull-up. So you would put this here, you could kind of put your foot right here, pull this down, and then this will help you assist all the way up, and then you can go back down, and then it'll just continue to help you. So maybe if you can't do it right now, it's nice that they at least include this band so it kind of helps you get in the groove of doing pull-ups without actually struggling to do a full one right in the beginning. Now, when I'm doing a bunch of pull-ups, I'll actually just pull the dip bar right off because it's nice and easy. You don't have to unscrew anything. You just pull it off and then there you go. Now you got your pull-up bar on here. Now we've got a couple of different options for our grip. We've got our wide grip right here. So if you wanted to do a wide grip pull-up, you could do it from there. You can do a more close grip pull-up from the middle. You could also do an underhand grip. And I like the way that they made this stick out. So you can see this is further out from the wall than this is. So if you wanted to do this underhand, your elbow or your forearm's not actually gonna hit that, which is perfect. But if you wanted to, you could have it kind of assist you a little bit by pushing up against it. So it's kind of up to you. Like you could just do one like that. Or if you want to push up against the bar like that, it'll kind of give you a little bit of a lift off when you first go to do the pull-up. Now, let's say we want to go ahead and work on some dips. So we're going to go ahead and attach that onto the bar right there. We're just going to kind of make sure, all right, we're all stable and good to go. Now, both of these foam pieces, again, should be pushing up against the frame. And if you take a look closer here, you'll see that there's actually 3 different positions that you could hook this onto. So if you wanted to do narrow grip dips, or if you're someone who's just kind of smaller, then using that smaller, closer grip is really gonna help. Or if you want to use the wider grip, maybe you're bigger or you're just trying to hit the outside of your chest, then you're gonna connect it here to the outside part. I like the middle. I feel like the middle is nice and comfortable for me. And they also did a really good job on making these foam grips on here as well. It just makes it nice and comfortable. So you can just do your traditional dip, just like that. And it's really stable being right up against here. So they did a good job overall on design. And I feel like this is perfect for in-home, especially when you don't want to go all the way to the gym. I like keeping this up because our gym is like right next to the bathroom right here. So I walk to the bathroom, I see this, I'm like, let me go do a couple of dips, a couple of pull-ups real quick. So it's nice just leaving it and having it somewhere in your house to where you can easily access it and just hop on it, jump on it whenever you want to. Plus, it's really nice that you could also just take everything off and move it. So maybe you've got it somewhere where maybe it's kind of like in the way in your house, and you know, the rest of your family, you don't want your rest of your family playing with it. You can easily just pull it, take it off like that, store it away, and it's really compact. I've tested out a lot of different pull-up bars and dip bars that are on Amazon, and I gotta say this one's probably the easiest and most put together one that I've found, just because of the fact that you're really able to just pop this off nice and easy. A lot of the other ones you have to screw it on or unscrew it, and it kind of gets in the way, especially if you're trying to do pull-ups here. It's really easy for you to just boom, hit this bar, but easily just take it off and then you can go ahead and hit your pull-ups. And same thing with the dips. The dips on here are really comfortable. You're not gonna like hit your head or your face on anything. You can see my head clears this bar right here. And even if you wanted to just keep your head tilted down, you could do it this way as well. Now, another little exercise that I've seen people do on here as well is this is gonna train you a little bit more for those kind of bicep pull-ups. What you could do is come down on here and use the grips in the middle to kind of pull and hold yourself up. And you could also use this for kind of like an L sit as well. Kind of depends on what your height is, but I like going on that sometimes just to work on my abs and just get a little bit of an L sit. Same thing up here with the top. If you wanted to use this top part as well, you can grab the top bar and you could do your leg raises as well on this. So if you're looking for a really good pull-up bar and dip combination, this is a great space saver and it's really nice and sturdy. So if you're looking for a really good one, I would definitely recommend this one here.